Maybe you have thought about investing, but never have done it before because you never understood it. Well, investing is a bit complicated, but not as complex as most people think of it. So let's try to break down investment using simplified words and find out how you can start doing it. No matter what is your background, you'll have an idea of how to get started with investing right after watching this video. The most common way of earning money is getting paid per hour. It's quite good to make money this way, but the only problem with it is that it highly depends on time, which is limited and means it's impossible to get rich with that way of earning money. Let's say you get paid $20 per hour, $160 per day if you work 8 hours a day, $3,520 per month, and $42,220 a year. Now, to make $1 million, you have to work for almost 24 years without wasting a single dollar of it, which is unreal. Even if somehow you manage to do that, you'll be an old man by that time. Of course, you may make a lot of money out of it, but surely you cannot be financially free, no matter how hard you work. Another problem with that is the fact that something happens to you and you stop working, you stop making money. Therefore, you want to find an alternative way of making money, like letting your money work for you, and that's what investment is all about. Taking $1 and transforming it into $2 sounds illogical, but it is possible, and that is the only way to achieve financial freedom. So let's dive into this. Now, there are 4 main types of investments out there. The first one is paper assets. If you've never heard of it before, most likely you think of papers, but it doesn't relate to that type of paper. It's things like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and everything else like that. The second type of investment is commodities, like gold or silver. The price of gold goes up every single day. If you buy gold today, you can certainly sell it for a higher price tomorrow. Well, not exactly tomorrow, but later someday. The third one is real estate. Real estate can be, for example, houses, apartments, hotels, and many more others. And the last one is business. Starting up a business is the best investment one can have, especially if you don't have a lot of money. This is because there are lots of businesses that one can start without necessarily having a big capital, especially online businesses. Now, there are 2 ways you can make money by investing. The first way is to buy a stock for $1, for example, then you sell it for $2, and the difference, the profit you gain, is called the capital gain. The second is passive income. A constant flow of money entering your bank account, building a business, for example, whereby you might receive every month $10,000 in profits. Now, in my opinion, it's more important to pay attention to the flow of passive income because once you have built that system, it keeps paying you for a long time. The key principle in investing is to start as early as possible because it takes time as well. For instance, Warren Buffett, who is the greatest investor of all time, started investing when he was still a teenager. But to invest, you need money, and this is why you should start saving first. At least 20% of your monthly income must go directly into your savings account. This may sound difficult to many, as most people live from month to month. No matter how small is your monthly income, at least 20% of it has to be put aside in savings. If you're not going to do that, you will never be able to become financially free, and you're going to have to place all your trust in politicians, promising to bring back jobs into the country, where in fact they don't give a damn about it. So find ways to decrease your expenses. If you want more frugal living and saving tips, check out our Master Your Money with Frugal Living and Savings playlist. There's a lot of great information there. A link can be seen both at the top of your screen and in the descriptions below. Just keep in mind that investment is a really long process. It can take 5, 10, or even 15 years. However, it pays off afterward if you do it correctly. So just don't expect to become a multimillionaire in a couple of years. Anyway, that's for today, guys. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell to not miss any of the videos coming up every week. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.